Picadeli. So it's a play on words on the idea of just picking your own deli food. Generally speaking, the salad bar, who's been around for 70 years, worked really well for a consumer because you can make whatever you want, how you like it, and it's typically relatively affordable.
We're really excited to have Picadeli salad bars in Schnucks. We started negotiations with Picadeli over 2.5 years ago. At that moment, we were deep into COVID, and we decided that we were going to wait a little bit longer to wait and see how the customer responded with the health challenges that COVID brought.
So we opened the salad bar business at the time when everyone else was taking away salad bars. It's nicer because, one, you have fully enclosed hoods, so the food is protected and enclosed. It's also colder. You also have the tongues that are suspended, so the tongues never touch the food. So for the consumer, it's sort of familiar, but it just feels and looks better.
Picadeli has a great offering. It's quite expansive. Actually, there's 35 items per bar at a minimum. And it includes everything from vegetable offerings, your classic lettuces, lettuce blends, peppers, onions, carrots. And then it goes into the beans, along with things such as falafel, pasta salads, and then it offers proteins. We have surimi, shrimp in some areas, chicken. So there's a great variety that customers can make and customize to suit their specific needs.
And our bar, you can actually click on the end screen panel to understand all the nutritional ingredients of the foods. And then each digital panel in front of the food will tell you what's in it, how many calories, if there's any allergens. The bar for us and the technology and the hardware is just a vehicle for us to be able to serve great and delicious food. And our benchmark is we only put food in the bar that we ourselves would love to eat, right? We are very particular about great food first.
I think the salad bar is really emblematic of how we are repositioning and evolving our deli. We have to do more to nourish people's lives. And so when we're able to pivot to a solution that's a light labor touch, but yet offers the customer the highest quality, freshest items, that's emblematic of how we're repositioning the deli for the future.